I think fintechs offer a great opportunity for banks, especially for customers also, but also for banks, because fintechs and startups have a couple of advantages that the bank doesn't have. They are small, they are lean, they're more agile. They normally get to focus on a single problem and go really, really deep in creating the best technology and the best customer solution for that. And they're kind of advancing and have that kind of entrepreneurial, innovative thinking a lot more than us as a big bank. However, what we do have is scale, a big number of customers, big brand, and we can help to invest, we can help to grow. So if you combine the two together, you kind of get best of the both worlds, and therefore you come up with the best technology solutions to get the best customer solution. And I think that's in the end what the essence is. So I would say that the fintechs and the startups that come up will stimulate the banks to be more innovative and to be faster, working together to enable both. But it also has an influence on the way the bank works. I mean, HSBC invested quite a lot in digital, in just investment in technology, but also in people, and we try to combine and have more people with a startup mind or entrepreneurial mindset to start slowly change, the speed of thinking and innovative thinkingness within the bank as well. So it's a combination of factors, but definitely an opportunity. Well, I would always argue we have to see it from an opportunity point of view. If you take WeChat, for example. So in China, we are offering WeChat banking as well. So we have a partnership with WeChat, and we expose our services, or customer could use our services through WeChat, because that's in the end where the customers are and where they want to use our services. So it's not being dominant about where the start should be. It's around where can we offer our services at a point that it's relevant to the customers. And if that happens to be in WeChat, then that is in WeChat. Similarly, it could be within WhatsApp or any other way of how people use messaging. So that's not necessarily a threat. It's more of an opportunity to reach the customers where they are at the right point. If they are big and slow, compared to the bank, I don't think that WeChat is big and slow, and they're still, they still have that mindset, and they still have this entrepreneurial fast way of moving that we have to, and we aspire to get to as well. In this year and the next years ahead, I see HSBC is very committed to invest in new technologies, whether that new technologies comes by development from ourselves, working with these big tech companies as a combination, or working with startups, fund or sponsor startups. All of this is included in how we want to invest in advancing the financial sector. and providing better solutions to our customers. So the investment in technology and hence the cooperation with other partners and with fintechs, stimulating open banking, working with governments to enable that, is a big part of the agenda of digitizing our bank and our solutions for our customers. Right? We have to anticipate into what will be the next things. That's why it's so important to invest not only in today, but to invest in tomorrow and the day after tomorrow as well. Hence some of the innovation labs that we have or cooperations with others to make sure that we invest in new technologies that will play a bigger role in the future of banking. If you speak, for instance, about AI and big data, that is something that will affect banking a lot in the future, but not yet a massive number of customers today. So that is, how do we invest more? How do we work together more to make sure we are ready when it's really relevant? And that's, of course, when it comes to a bank, we have to think about the scale of all of our customers. It's not only that smaller group of customers that try out the new services first, like a lot of clients of startups. It's about combining that big scale and big business, and therefore some of the technologies needs to be mature to have that wide adoption. So it's always a bit the balance between new technology adoption to make sure you can offer it to all of your customer base, and we have to invest in all pieces to stay relevant.